What is up, guys? DG up here, back again with another video. I haven't been uploading too much lately. I've kind of been trying to get this going. I've had some trouble. I've been trying to get this up and running. Well, it has been running, but I'm trying to get this to where it's safe driving condition. And it did take a little bit of work. As you can see, I'm very sweaty. I'm very dirty, but we're 98% done with this 335i. Now, I replaced this radiator. This radiator is brand new. I replaced the rack and pinion with a used one, and both those parts, I got the rack and pinion used. That was like 110 bucks off eBay, and then I got the radiator off eBay also for like $63, and it's been working fine. So I'm really happy with that. I bled the system and everything, so that fixed 2 of the leaks. This car is leaking pretty much everything, so it was a small oil leak, but we're not going to talk about that right now. And the last thing I pretty much need to do, besides fix the one small little leak, is this window motor. I don't know what's going on with this window motor. It's off track, it's bad, but I went ahead and ordered a replacement. Now, this was not cheap. This was like 120 bucks. Now that's a lot more expensive than the window motors for my car, but this is German, so that makes sense. But yeah, we're only about 300 bucks in on this car, and we're about to be good to go. There's a small oil leak right here. You can't see right now, but the gasket where the oil filter housing is just bad, and this is a notorious issue. Not a big deal, but yeah. And then I'm gonna give it an oil change, and then this is gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna give it a start for you guys. Everything's running good. Everything sounds good. Just need some fine tuning and we'll be good to go. The light is on for one of the headlights. I don't know what's going on there because they work. I think they're aftermarket or something's going on there. Yeah, it says adaptive headlamps. Yes, I don't know what's going on with there. That's not a big deal though, because they still work. It's just a light. Definitely needs an alignment after replacing the rack, but that's to be expected. Car's really quick. It really puts you back in the seat pretty easy. Oh, that was a little bit of a bump, but it's all good. This is a perfect lot for donuts and shit, and you can probably still see my marks. Those right there are probably mine from 4th of July, but for holding temperature good. Gonna give it a few revs. Sounds good. I don't know if the car needs to get the temperature first, but I keep getting a check engine light, but then it goes away like immediately when I floor it. So I really don't know what's going on. It says engine operation reduced, so I guess it's going into limp mode. I really don't know what is going on there, because every time I try to read the code, it says no code, because it literally goes away. And it doesn't tell me what it is for some reason. The car's still very quick. So very strange in this car. The downshift, you actually push the paddles forward, either paddle, and the upshift, you push either paddle back towards you. I've never seen that before. It's very weird, and I thought the paddles weren't working, but then I figured out it's not how the typical paddles nowadays are, where the one on the right is upshift and the one on the left is down. They both can upshift and downshift. depending on your preference, which I guess is pretty neat. Never seen that before. If any of you guys are educated on these 335Is, please let me know down in the comments what the check engine light and limp mode means when I give it full throttle. It's very weird, and I can't read the code for some reason because it doesn't stay. But if anyone knows what that is, please let me know. It'd be much appreciated. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick update video. Let me know if you guys like the car flipping content. I kind of want to do more of it because there's a big side hustle that I'm doing, and it's helping get the funds I need for the SEMA build for this car. I feel like I can start this within a few months here. We'll see, because I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go back to work once at the end of July. I don't know what's going on with all the corona shit. It's crazy. We're supposed to get money, $2,000 a month or whatever. I don't know what's going on, to be honest with you. So that's why I've been a little weird with starting the VR30 swap and getting this car into SEMA in 2021. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.